If your air conditioning stops working in a 2018 Hyundai Elantra, and by that I mean not that the air isn't coming out cold, but that it's not coming out at all, that could be that the fuse has gone for the air conditioning. So the first thing that you do to check that is simply come down here to the fuse panel, open it up, check the corresponding fuse for air conditioning. Here's your chart. So it looks like the top row, and we're going to go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it is that 7.5A. I will put an affiliate link in this video to purchase new fuses. So it is this fuse here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 7.5. Check that fuse. If you have any questions, put them in the comments.